Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off controller vibration or rumble on Steam PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Make sure your controller is already connected to your PC before proceeding. Once you're logged in and on the Steam homepage, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can customize various features. Now, in the left sidebar of the settings window, you'll see several categories listed. Click on Controller. This section is specifically designed for managing all your controller-related settings, including button configurations, vibration preferences, and input devices. It's where Steam gives you full control over how your controller behaves during gameplay. Next, you'll notice a Details button beside your connected input controller. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the specific settings for that particular controller, allowing you to fine-tune how it responds during your gaming sessions. Each controller can have unique settings, so this is where you customize the experience to your liking. In this menu, look for the option labeled Game Rumble. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Click on that toggle switch to turn it off. By disabling this feature, you're ensuring that your controller will no longer vibrate during gameplay, which can be helpful if you find the rumble distracting, or if you simply prefer a quieter gaming experience without the physical feedback. And that's it. You've successfully turned off controller vibration on Steam PC, giving you a smoother and more controlled gaming experience without any rumble. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.